We guide you through how to delete your Reddit account permanently in just a few simple steps. So, the first thing you need to do is to open your Reddit on a browser because account deletion doesn't work fully on the mobile app. So, log in to your account, click your profile icon, go to user settings, then switch to the account tab. Scroll down and select delete account. Enter your username and password. Optionally, choose a reason and confirm the deletion. Keep in mind, once you delete your Reddit account, it cannot be recovered, and all your posts and comments will remain visible but no longer linked to your username. If you want to remove content first, you must delete posts and comments manually before deleting the account. After confirming, Reddit will log out automatically and your account will be permanently removed.